So we're here at FANUC's open house event, and I'm here with Gregory from Enderline. Now they cover the palletization, and they're a partner of FANUC. So this is a perfect example. So Gregory, talk me through what's going on here, because we've got a robotic arm up here, haven't we?
Yes, Enderline Robotics is a partner of FANUC for palletizing applications. So here we demonstrate a system that manages mixed pallet. An operator will bring a stack of pallets on the in-feed here, and it will go and be loaded into a disc stacker for the pallets. And then one pallet at a time will be dispatched and delivered to the palletizing area, where the robot will palletize the product onto the pallet. And then for the demonstration, we depalletize the product as well back onto this product conveyor.
So what happens though, because you've got different products that are sitting on here, as an example, you can see 3 different coloured boxes and they're all different sizes, and also they're different weights, aren't they?
Yeah, so basically with this system we try to show our customers that we can manage a mixed pallet, and we can also manage 2 pallets at a time if we modify this system and have one product on one pallet, another product on another pallet. And in this system, we just try to demonstrate as much as possible of what we can do.
So when we come down here, you can see all of the boxes, they're all divided, aren't they? They're coming in here in different rows, aren't they?
Yes, this is a sorting conveyor, and on the way back from the robot, we read a barcode on each box, and then we direct it to a specific lane of the conveyor. In this way, we sort them back, and then the system will bring them again to the palletizing position and palletize back on the pallet.
Just a few industries that you cover as an example?
We mostly work with food industry, but actually we can palletize any product in any shape. This is just an example with plastic crates. It can be a cardboard box, a bottle, or a bag, or anything like that.
Anything.
Yeah, it basically will design a different end effector tool for the robot to pick different type of product. And of course we'll need to know the speed, the palletizing pattern, and the conveyor's requirement, and every system can be built around the customer's requirement.
Exactly, so you're working with FANUC, changing the arm of the robot, picking up different products, different weights, different sizes. Thank you so much, Gregory. Another partner, Enderline, of FANUC. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.